Hello everyone, I'm Ligo. Today's topic is Se-hoon and Kim Se-jung's fortune harmony analysis. An analysis has been requested for the combination of EXO's Se-hoon and Gugudan's Kim Se-jung. This is a request from an overseas YouTube subscriber. They were so different in their fortune, but they had an interesting structure that complements the energy that they don't have. Let's analyze it together. Se-hoon is a big mountain from fortune. A big mountain gives a sense of trust and becomes the center of people everywhere. Kim Se-jung is a candle in her fortune. Candles are warm-hearted and delicate. Both of them have distinct characters that correspond to charm in their fortune. The temperature is slightly different, so I marked it in a different color. Se-hoon is a charm that makes you more attracted to him the more and more. Kim Se-jung has a pretty face that caught people's attention and a letter that means popularity. They have good conditions as a celebrity. But Se-hoon has a structure that goes well with his fortune and action acting, unlike his handsome face. These are the letters marked in the blue box. There are two places, and if he is acting, he will be a perfect fit for rough acting and action. Kim Se-jung's letter in the shape of a star plays a very good role in fortune. It's a place for spouses and it also means wealth. Kim Se-jung will have lots of luck with her spouse and wealth. But the important story is from the next picture. Se-hoon is very strong in his fortune. Everything but one letter is his own energy. If you have such a strong energy, your driving force is very good. He is the type to start everything first, experience it, and modify his plans in the middle. Therefore, he failed a lot, but he also succeeded a lot. He also likes to hang out with people, but he is stubborn, too. All the energy of fortune is made up of earth energy, and there is one tree energy. There are no three types of fire energy, metal energy, and water energy. And Kim Se-jung has those three types of energy. Kim Se-jung doesn't have wooden energy and land energy, but Se-hoon has it. It's good that this energy without is supplemented. However, Se-hoon is an unusual fortune with a strong ego, so it seems difficult to harmonize with Kim Se-jung. Kim Se-jung has letters that correspond to men, and she also has the energy to treat well. I'll give them 82% of their fortune harmony score. They didn't match well, but they were good at complementing their energy. I hope them succeed in everything you do and be happy. Thank you. Subscribe, thumbs up please. Thank you very much. Bye.